The country has achieved record speed and scale in the development of physical and social infrastructure, leading to greater ease of living and ease of doing business. Chhattisgarh has also greatly benefited from this progress. There are houses for the poor, schools, roads, railways, electricity, and gas pipelines. All these projects are aimed at improving the lives of the citizens of Chhattisgarh. The foundation stones for 10 projects worth approximately 7,700 crore rupees. Under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, rural, more than 24 lakh houses have been sanctioned in Chhattisgarh, of which 16.5 lakh houses have already been completed, presenting house keys to 3.5 lakh beneficiaries as part of the Griha Pravesh ceremony and releasing installments for another 3 lakh beneficiaries. Among the inaugurated projects is the road section from Madangamuda Devbhog to Odisha, which will enhance trade connectivity between Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Several other welfare projects are also being inaugurated, including the Eastern Region-Western Region Interregional Interconnection Line, which will link Jaipur in Odisha with Jagdalpur in Chhattisgarh. This will help in the transmission of solar and thermal power. Under the Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihood Mission, women of rural self-help groups, SHGs, are being supported through the SVEP initiative to establish non-agricultural enterprises with financial assistance, training, and exposure visits. At the new Paul Depot in Raipur, 2 ethanol tanks with a total capacity of 5,000 kiloliters are being installed. This will reduce dependence on fossil fuels and decrease carbon emissions by approximately 12,000 metric tons. The 489-kilometer Mumbai-Nagpur-Jharsuguda gas pipeline section passing through Chhattisgarh and Odisha will supply natural gas to 38 lakh households, 1,044 CNG stations, city gas distribution networks, power plants, and fertilizer units. Foundation stones are also being laid for new projects, including the 4-lane section of the Raipur-Dhanbad Economic Corridor from Pathragaon to the Chhattisgarh-Jharkhand border via Kunukuri. Once completed, it will improve connectivity between Pathragaon, Kansabel, Kunukuri, Duldula, and Jashpur. The Narayanpur, Kasturita, Kutul, Neelangur, Maharashtra road projects will provide better connectivity to remote villages of Narayanpur districts such as Narayanpur, Kasturi, Meetha, and Kutul. These national highway projects will improve